Wow, it's a sunny day. I am bored in this city. I want to go to the jungle today. I heard that there's a lot of animals in the forest. I want to go there now.
Well, I think I almost reached near the jungle. Wow, it's an awesome day. At last, I reached in Greenland. It's really cool here. Thank God, it was a good decision to come here today. Oh my God, what's that? It's a giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal in the forest. Giraffe is so beautiful too. Oh, who's this? Wow, it's a zebra. I've seen zebra lines on the road, but the first time I am seeing a zebra alive. Okay, let's go to the next place. Wow, it's a deer. Oh, it's so cute. He is looking at me. Oh my dear, I am so busy today. I will catch you later. Oh, wow, who is this? It's a sheep. Wow, dear sheep, you look awesome. I am a bit busy. See you later. Oh my God, who is this? It's an elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal on the land. Nice to meet you, dear elephant. See you later. Wow, it's a great day in my life. I'm really enjoying this trip to the jungle. Oh, who is this beauty? It's another kind of deer. He is very handsome. Wow, I found a duck. Nice. Oh, one more is there. He is a friend of the other duck. Awesome guys, nice to see you all. Oh my God, who's that? Oh, it's a tiger. Wow, I am really afraid of this tiger. He may attack me. I have to move from here right now. I have to admit, he is very handsome too. Oh, who is this beauty? It's a camel. Usually, we can find them in the deserts. Luckily, I have found one here. That's awesome. Oh my God, who is roaring there? Oh no, it's a lion. Oh, I think he is very angry. For my safety I have to move away from here right now. Oh my God, the lion is moving towards me. I have to go now. I am going back my home. Anyway, it was a great day. I really enjoyed this jungle trip.